హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు సరదాగా ఛానల్. సో మా అక్క చెప్తా ఉంటుంది కదా చెల్లి చెల్లి అని, ఆ చెల్లి నేనే. సో ఇవాళ మీ అందరి కోసం నేను హెల్దీ రెసిపీ తీసుకొచ్చాను. అదేంటంటే ఆటా కేక్. దానికి కావాల్సిన పదార్థాలు 1 కప్ ఆఫ్ షుగర్, 4 eggs, 1 కప్ ఆఫ్ ఆటా ఫ్లోర్, మిల్క్ అండ్ ఆయిల్. సో ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? సో టేక్ ఆల్ ద 4 eggs into a bowl. Be careful while you are breaking the eggs. Add 1 cup of sugar to it. You can also make it as a powder and add it so that you can make it fast the process. Add 2 spoons of oil to it and mix it well for 5 minutes. So now add 1 cup of atta flour to the mixture. It will be good if we strain it. So add 1 spoon of baking soda to it. Now mix it well for 5 more minutes. So go to the oven store and at 180 degrees preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of milk to the mixture. So again mix for like 2 minutes. Yes, the consistency was perfect, right? Now add little oil to the pan. And dust it with the flour so that the cake cannot stick to the bottom. So while taking up, it will be getting out good. So pour the batter into the pan. Tap it for 2 to 3 times. If any bubbles, it will come out. So now change the oven. Change the oven into baking mode. In the same 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Bake the cake for 20 minutes. So shall we go and look at the cake? Yes, seems it is almost done, right? Be careful where you're handling with the oven, friends. Yes, perfect. So flip it onto the plate. Yes, friends, done. Now you can make it as a honey cake too. So take 2 spoons of sugar and mix with water. And add 2 more spoons of honey to it. Now you can sprinkle that honey water to the cake. All over the honey cake. Yes, done. So try it and taste it and comment me in the section. Please do like, share, subscribe to the Saradaga channel.